What is that?
It makes forward and backward and left and right.
So can you show the box first? What is that? What is inside of that box? What is this box for? This is the box of your
Toy.
yeah, what kind of toy?
We have remote control
And the car. Where's the car?
it's right here. It's right here. And this one you will spin around like that. If you want, it comes this one. It comes this one. Come this one. Come this one.
Okay, can you show the real toy then? Where's the real toy?
Here.
The real one there?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show it? Can you show it to the camera? No, the real toy, this one. Show it. Wow, and what does it do?
I will show you. I will show you.
Okay.
Come in.
Okay, and can you transform it?
Okay.
Whoa! Can I see the face then? Can you let him turn around? Turn around. Whoa! Hi, Transformer.
It's spinning around fast.
Okay. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Do you recommend it to everyone that they buy it?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell them. Hey, come on, guys. Go get it.
Come on, guys.
Look at the camera.
Come on, guys. Get it.
Okay. Are you happy with that? Yeah?
It's all mine, Mommy.
It's all mine?
No, it's not yours, Mommy. All mine. Me.
Okay. I'm sorry. Am I forgiven?
You have your present. You have your present like this, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Come, Mommy. She forgot her gift.
Come here. What?
We're shutting down her gift. She forgot going to home. She forgot her gift.
Okay, well tell Auntie Dang you forgot your gift. You tell Auntie Dang, hey.
Let's call Auntie Dang.
Okay, you tell her.
It's not calling video, Mommy.
Okay. Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye.